Hello again everyone, this is Alam from Byte Unboxed. I am back with another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to cover how to fix the keyboard keys that fallen off. This guide specifically applies to the laptop keyboards. If you are using Bluetooth or wired keyboard that comes with the most desktop setup, the process may differ slightly. The first thing you want to do is assess the damage. Are the parts intact and reattachable? First, start by examining the keycap and the key clips. Most importantly, check the area where the key connects to the keyboard. Make sure a small rubber knob is still placed and can be pressed down. You can use the flatted screwdriver or the similar small tool to gently test this. Next, inspect the metal bricks. They should be properly shaped. Then move on to the plastic bracket and the keycaps to ensure they are not broken or bent. Look for any damaged plastic pieces or the missing parts that could prevent the key from snapping back into place. Depending upon your laptop model, this might be a quick fix or the slightly tricky one, especially with the newer or more complex keyboard design. Try pressing the key back into position. If it snaps securely, do push test by pressing the key to the left and right of it. Compare the feel. If the keycap simply fell off without a damage, press it straight down into the keyboard until you hear a click. Again, test the surrounding keys to make sure everything feels consistent. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.